Hello everyone and welcome to this Robinhood Gold explainer. Is it worth it? Well, if you're analyzing your monthly subscription statement and trying to optimize every dollar in your financial plan, evaluating a paid premium tier for a commission-free brokerage app can feel counterintuitive. Why would any retail investor choose to pay a recurring fee for an investment platform when the free baseline account already grants access to standard stock, option, and cryptocurrency markets? This is the primary riddle behind Robinhood Gold, a premium membership program designed to transition casual retail account into a more advanced, high-yield wealth environment. The service positions itself not as a mandatory trading gate, but as an aggregated bundle of financial upgrades covering asset growth, advanced analytical research, and lowered borrowing friction. At a flat cost of $5 per month or a discounted prepaid annual rate of $50, the math behind whether the subscription is truly worth your capital is entirely dependent on your personal asset scale and retirement habits. Truly determining if this platform upgrade delivers a positive return on investment requires running the hard data across high-yield cash yield, retirement match incentives, premium research structures, and structural margin parameters. Also, if you want to try Robinhood yourself, go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get a free stock worth between $5 and $200. This definitive cost of value breakdown critically evaluates whether Robinhood Gold is worth your money. The most immediate and quantifiable way to calculate the exact financial return of your subscription is by inspecting the platform's automated high-yield cash sweep framework. For standard, non-paying users, any idle, uninvested cash sitting in your brokerage account generates a minimum baseline interest yield that struggles to outpace standard inflation metrics. Upgrading to the premium tier instantly recalibrates your uninvested liquid cash to a highly competitive 3.35 annual percentage yield, securely sweeping your funds across a secure network of third-party partner banks. To determine if this single feature completely nullifies a subscription cost, you simply need to establish your baseline cash liquidity threshold. If you choose the $50 annual prepaid subscription path, maintaining a consistent uninvested liquid balance of roughly $1,500 inside of your account completely offsets the fee through automated interest payout over a 12-month cycle. Any cash balance held above the explicit $1,500 threshold shifts the subscription into a net positive generator of passive income, allowing long-term investors to park their dry powder securely while waiting for market corrections without losing purchasing power. For long-term builders focused heavily on maximizing tax-advantaged accounts, the platform's unique retirement incentive represents a massive structural advantage that is virtually unmatched in the retail brokerage sector. While traditional brokerages offer zero direct financial incentives for annual contributions, upgrading to the premium tier unlocks a direct 3% matching bonus on all eligible contributions made to your individual retirement account, spanning both traditional and Roth IRA vehicles. The true value of this matching architecture scales dramatically when mapped against federal contribution caps. For the 2026 tax calendar, maximizing a personal IRA contribution up to the standard limit allows a premium subscriber to capture an instant direct cash injection of up to $210 deposited directly into their retirement portfolio. Because this match functions identically to an employer-sponsored contribution, the added capital compounds immediately alongside your core index funds. To permanently retain this financial bonus, the platform requires you to maintain your premium membership status for a rolling 5-year horizon, meaning the matching framework essentially functions as a highly lucrative loyalty program that heavily rewards consistent retirement savers. Beyond automated yield programs, a thorough safety assessment requires pulling back the curtain on how the platform routes and fills your daily trades. Because the firm pioneering the zero commission landscape does not charge you a direct fee per transaction, many novice investors wonder how the brokerage captures its revenue. The platform relies heavily on an industry practice known as payment for order flow, or PFOF, where market makers pay the brokerage small fractions of a cent per share to execute client retail trades through their liquidity pools. Critics historically raised concerns that this revenue structure could create an inherent conflict of interest, potentially incentivizing a broker to prioritize market maker payout over securing the best possible execution speed and price for the retail user. To combat this skepticism and comply with SEC Rule 606 requirements, the company continuously updates its automated routing algorithms to strictly enforce best execution obligations. This ensures that your orders are routed to the specific market maker, providing the most optimal price at the exact millisecond, meaning you aren't paying hidden premiums through poor execution spreads just to avoid a flat trading fee. Now, for users who use their investing account as a central operational hub, evaluating the platform's high-yield cash sweeps is just as important as inspecting their stock infrastructure. When you opt in their cash sweep program, your uninvested cash balance is automatically transferred into a network of external third-party partner financial institutions. This background movement is designed to maximize your interest yield while shielding your daily capital from singular institutional failure. By dispersing your uninvested cash across multiple partner institutions, the platform can scale your protection far beyond standard limits. This multi-bank sweep architecture allows users to secure up to $2.5 million in total aggregated FDIC protection. Because your money is spread out in chunks across separate fully insured banks, your liquid cash remains entirely safe and government-backed, even if the parent brokerage platform faces unprecedented liquidity struggles or bankruptcy proceedings. Active swing traders and technical analysts require a continuous stream of deep order metrics to accurately map entry and exit zones across highly volatile equities. A standard retail profile restricted to basic price charts is often left trading blindly against institutional order blocks. The premium subscription addresses this information asymmetry by embedding comprehensive Level 2 market data feeds powered directly by Nasdaq Total View straight into your mobile interface. At this point, I'd like to remind you that if you want to try Robinhood yourself, you could go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get a free stock worth between $5 to $200. Now, this advanced data layer reveals the complete real-world depth of the electronic book, tracking real-time buy and sell limit orders at multiple price intervals so you can gauge immediate supply and demand boundaries before clicking buy. Alongside this order book clarity, the subscription integrates unlimited access to institutional equity research reports curated by Morningstar. Considering that a standalone independent subscription to Morningstar investor platforms typically commands a retail price tag of nearly $249 per year, accessing these professional valuation models and leadership scorecards for a fraction of that cost provides immense value to fundamental researchers who actively pick individual stocks. For sophisticated traders who selectively employ financial leverage to scale their short-term market exposure, the premium subscription fundamentally reshapes the borrowing cost environment. Standard brokerage accounts attempting to borrow capital against their equity positions are hit with heavy interest penalties that can severely handicap the profitability of a trade. The premium track reshapes this dynamic by completely waiving all interest charges on your first $1,000 of borrowed margin capital. Once your active borrowing exceeds that initial interest-free $1,000 buffer, the platform grants you access to an aggressively discounted margin interest rate of 5.75%. This institutional rate allows leveraged accounts to carry active positions across volatile market cycles with significantly less structural friction than traditional retail brokers charge. However, using leverage introduces steep mathematical risk parameters. While a lower interest rate limits your daily borrowing overhead, it does absolutely nothing to shield your portfolio from accelerated losses if your leveraged stock positions suddenly move against you. The newest capital anchor designed to solidify the value proposition of the premium membership ecosystem is the exclusive rollout of the solid steel Robinhood Gold Visa Signature Card. Unlike traditional consumer credit cards that fragment your spending power across rotating categories or clip your rewards behind restrictive caps, this premium financial tool delivers a flat, uncapped 3% cashback reward on every single transaction you execute across your everyday lifestyle spending. The card features no added annual fees or foreign transaction penalties on top of your baseline membership cost, turning your daily grocery, utility, and fuel expenses into a direct wealth pipeline. By default, your accumulated cashback rewards are streamed directly into your central brokerage account, where they are automatically deployed into your core stock or ETF holdings. For a household clearing $20,000 in annual credit card volume, the extra 1% edge over a standard 2% cashback card yields an extra $200 in annual returns, completely obliterating the subscription cost while systematically accelerating your personal savings rate on autopilot. So if you'd like to try Robinhood yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get a free stock worth between $5 to $200. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.